Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my current process, the knowledge and experience that I've gained while learning how to capture quality audio for the videos that I'm shooting on my motorcycle. The video is shot using a couple of different types of state-of-the-art action cameras. These action cameras have capable built-in microphones. The limitation is that once you start moving at a certain speed, the wind that moves past the microphone renders the audio unusable or just annoying. So I'm using two different standalone microphones. I'm using this lavalier microphone. This is a wired microphone. This microphone is clipped inside the helmet. Then I'm using another standalone microphone. I put this PCM recorder, this is an Olympus PCM recorder. I put this in the saddlebag and I wrap it with some microfiber towel so that it's not rattling it around. And then I take those audio streams in post, in editing, and I combine them and synchronize them with the video. And I don't use the captured audio from the cameras at all because it's just unusable. And I'm going to cut to a clip where you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about, because this clip that we're going to cut to was shot on this camera, and you're going to see that once the motorcycle starts moving, you'll see the wind noise and you'll see what I'm talking about. That was all a lead up to the video that I'm going to share with you now. I took an alternate route home yesterday, about a 25-minute drive. I went past the Virginia International Gateway Container Ship Terminal. It's an interesting area to shoot some video. This is highlights of that ride home. And this is utilized in the current process. I'm not 100% satisfied with this process as far as the audio quality of the helmet microphone. There's still some work to be done, but I am comfortable to get out and start recording more video with narration and sharing with you guys. Stick around and enjoy this to the end. And thank you for visiting my channel. My main purpose of this recording today is to get some footage for the video that I'm doing on the Cavalier mic and for sound recording in general, documenting my process and also some of the trials and tribulations of making this work. Very light traffic, which is nice because this can be quite congested, and as you can see there's a lot of stoplights down here, so at rush hour you get quite a bit of gridlock over here, and the area should be avoided like the plague. We got a Norfolk City Sheriff over there. I made some adjustments earlier today to the microphone position and the mount that's inside of the helmet where I clip the microphone to. I'm happy and satisfied. This is the third position that I've had it in, that it's near my mouth, but it's not affecting, it's not touching my face, and it's not interfering with my ability to speak. All I want to do is to be able to do live narration and live commentary while I'm on my rides, and have it be of a quality that you can understand what I'm saying, that the ambient sound, the motor and the wind noise is not so loud that it's distracting or interfering with the ability to understand what I'm saying. Otherwise, it's just not worth doing. There's always the option of overdubbing the audio in post-production. But I really would prefer, and I think for many of the things I have in mind that I intend to shoot video on, it's really more useful to do live commentary based on what's going on at the time, and not to go back and add commentary after the fact. Just a personal preference. One of my many obsessions as it relates to riding my motorcycle and making videos that most people could care less about. Many people are afraid to merge, and some people will actually come to a full stop up here in similar types of ramps, on-ramps. Makes me nuts when people come to a stop. And so when I'm on my bike, I want to leave a little bit of room just in case some egghead, some doofus wants to stop. We got smooth sailing right now. This is no issue at all. Now, this is the Midtown Tunnel. I've got a video of the Midtown Tunnel coming from the opposite direction. I'll link that video in the description. We're going to go down there. There's a little residential area down there, some older homes, some modest homes. So we're going to go down there and we're going to ride around and get as close as we possibly can to where they're unloading those container ships. We'll see if we can get down there. Not sure. Looks like a good place to bury a body to me. This road is not well traveled. Definitely a place that you could bury some bodies back here. Wild Duck Lane. There we go. The Port of Virginia, the Virginia International Gateway. Good place to launch a drone from right there. Alright, this is as far as I'm going to be able to get. I'm going to have to turn around.